Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to save your document to your files that you have created on the office.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website and then go to Word and select the template. After creating your document, you should tap on this File button in the upper left corner of the screen. Tap on Save As in the left side column. And here you can find a bunch of options. You can save a copy online, that's the first option, or you can rename the file and then save it. You can download it as a copy to your device. You can download it as a PDF or as an ODT. So select from these options. If you tap on the first one, you should type in the name of your file and select a file to which you would like to add this document to. Tap on the select button and then type in the name of your document. Tap on save and then it is being saved, as you can see. Here you can find your document in a few seconds. So that's how you can save your document. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.